So if you look at my desktop, how messy and all over the place, I'm going to ask Claude, go to my desktop, clean out everything, make my desktop nice and neat and clean. So you go to Claude and you have chat, co-work, or code. So I'm going to go to code and I'm going to say, can you go to my desktop and make it nice, neat, and clean? Can you go to my desktop and make it nice, neat, and clean? Okay, and let's go. And it will probably ask my permission to start working on it. So it's pretty cool, right? It's all about saving time. Um, it's just look how much time it would take me. Okay, so I would love to help organize your desktop. Let me start by requesting access to a desktop. So I'm gonna go ahead and allow it, and it will take over my desktop, and it will start working on it. So let's see if I can see it. It looks like the desktop path didn't work. Let me try OneDrive desktop path, which is common for Windows setup. Okay, let's see what it does. Mhm. Got access to a desktop. Let me see what's on it. So it's looking at it. So it's running command, working on it. List content of desktop subfolder. Let's see. Now I have a full picture of your desktop. Before I organize, let me confirm a plan with you. Okay, go ahead. It says, here what I found on your desktop. It's quite full. I would like to organize by creating folder, moving files to them. Here is my proposed plan. Videos will be this folder. Photos, app shortcut, project, drone video. Let's see what else I have. Happy place photography, and the temporary CapCut folder. How would you like me to organize? Use my proposed plan. Just sort into fewer folders. Let's do that instead of, okay, it says it's working on it. Let's see what it does. Got it. Simple is better. I would sort everything into three clean folder: media, document, shortcuts. And let me get to work. Now it's creating folders. See what it does. It's pretty cool, right? Look, I'm going to show you now. So it created a media, shortcut, and document folder. And see what it does. There you go. Look at that. It's cleaning it up. Look at how many files I had on my desktop. So it's putting separate all the documents in one folder, all the media on one folder, and the shortcuts will be one folder. How cool is that? Looks like almost done. Let's see. Okay. Allow Claude to permanently delete files in your desktop folder during this task. Once another, no, I don't want you to delete anything. Okay, no problem. I will leave the folder alone, skip the deletion. Let me finish and finalize the state of your desktop. So it's finishing it up. Let's see. Pretty awesome, right? How much time it could have take, and while it's doing this, I can go do something else and just saving me time, right? All right. Your desktop is now cleaned up. Here's what it looks like. Before, you have 50 plus loose files, folders scattered everywhere, videos, documents, emails, shortcuts, project files, all mixed together. After, just three clean folder: media, which is this one; document, which is all documents over here; and then shortcut will be over here. I'm going to go ahead and move Insta link over here, Western Digital over here, and this one over here, and this one over here. There you go. It's done. So it's asking me, there's some few extra things it could do, but I will be like, no, that's okay. It's good. But look at this. How beautiful it is. How cool, right? So it's pretty awesome.